If you don't like watching slow TV but love warm bread, stick around. The slowest, smallest actors are stealing the show. They're called yeast, and they're working overtime. You add flour, you add water, a pinch of salt, a little yeast. Yeast eats sugars in the dough like tiny Pac-Men. They breathe out carbon dioxide, invisible bubbles. Those bubbles get trapped in a stretchy network called gluten. Think of gluten like a balloon animal workshop. CO2 is the air. Balloons expand and dough rises. Every bubble is a microscopic gas pocket lifting your loaf. The more active the yeast, the stronger the gluten, the bigger, lighter rise. Overproof the dough and the bubbles collapse. Underproof and the crumb stays dense. Timing matters. Slow motion, bubbles inflating tiny chains of gluten stretching like taffy. Sugar yeast, CO2. Tiny alcohol. We bake off the alcohol, no hangover. When you need, you're feeding a tiny workforce. You're shaping microscopic chemistry into something delicious. Bake with curiosity, and your crumb will thank you.